Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where legal knowledge meets the systems that run our world. In today's episode of the Law Series, we enter the high-stakes world of money, markets, and regulation, banking and finance law. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just wondering how global finance is kept in check, this episode is for you. How do we prevent bank failures? What protects you when a lender charges unfair interest? Who makes sure international wire transfers don't fund terrorism? From local banks to global finance, the law is what keeps the system stable, secure, and fair. What is banking and finance law? Banking and finance law is the branch of law that governs financial institutions like banks and credit unions, transactions like loans, investments, securities, and derivatives, market regulation, stock exchanges, cryptocurrencies, foreign exchange, consumer protection, anti-money laundering, and financial crime enforcement. It provides the legal rules that keep financial systems functioning, transparent, and trustworthy. Two main sectors. Banking law focuses on commercial and retail banking, regulates deposits, loans, interest rates, and credit, sets rules for bank licensing, supervision, and consumer protection. Finance law deals with capital markets and investment activities, covers securities regulation, corporate finance, and financial instruments, involve stock markets, bonds, hedge funds, and crypto assets. Together, they shape everything from personal mortgages to global financial crises. Who regulates finance? Regulators vary by country, but major ones include U.S. Federal Reserve, SEC, FDIC, OCC, UK Bank of England, Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, Global Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, IMF, World Bank, FATF. These bodies enforce laws that prevent fraud and corruption, manage systemic risks, ensure fair competition, protect consumer rights. Famous case study, 2008 global financial crisis. In the lead-up to 2008, weak regulation and risky lending caused the collapse of major banks. Millions lost homes, jobs, and savings. Afterward, countries introduced sweeping reforms like the Dodd-Frank Act, US 3, and stricter oversight of banks and credit rating agencies. It showed the world that bad financial law, or lack of it, can crash economies. Why banking and finance law matters today. It ensures your savings are safe in a bank. It governs crypto regulation, digital banking, and fintech innovation. It stops money laundering, terrorist financing, and corporate fraud. It protects borrowers, investors, and taxpayers, and it helps prevent the next financial crisis. In short, banking and finance law isn't just about money. It's about trust, risk, and stability in a globalized world. What's next? As money becomes more digital and financial systems grow more complex, understanding the laws behind them is more important than ever. Next time, we'll dive into cyber law, IT law, refugee law, or the laws of war to see how legal systems respond to modern threats and humanitarian needs. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law Series, where law meets power, people, and progress.